Hello gang, Skypilot here again. I'm going to take the TYRO 79s out for a fly. Check out the links down below guys of this cool little unit. This comes in a kit of everything you need bar the goggles. Great value for money at the moment, and it's also a little crack at a fly. Quick line of sight first as always. Yeah, it's a ripper. It's a ripper. It is really smooth, this is guys, really smooth. And a great place for beginners to start if you are getting into the sport, which is why I think they introduced this as a all-in-one kit. So all you guys need to do is grab yourself a pair of goggles and you're off. So it comes with everything you need, radio, etc. Check out my previous videos. These will have up on the screen for you so you know what I'm talking about. Really nice camera on this guys. Let's do a couple of laps first. Just buzz the tower. Of course, if you've seen my other videos, you'll see the older brother of the 79 here being the 109, which is a fabulous unit to fly around. Check that out if you have some time. I had a lot of fun with that. A little bit windy here at the moment, however the TYRO can handle that fairly well. Lots of fun guys, lots of fun. Let's go for a little explore over here at the netball courts. Quicker kick a quick goal. And before we run out of batteries, I shall do a quick lap of the oval. Oh, the wind's blowing me a little bit. Whoops. There's some power lines here somewhere. Don't really want to hit them. Bring it home. The TYRO 109S. S stands for super. Nice to fly, super smooth. if you look at getting into the FPV game, this is the one for you. As I said, great value for money at the moment. Lots of fun. Take it easy, guys. Bye for now.